Okay, we're about to enter 2026 tomorrow. And while I love AI and all the gifts it's given us, there's one that I've noticed lately, and it's called zombie time. It's not really a gift. It's just kind of this neutral thing that wastes a lot of my time, or I waste a lot of my time. But I think we all deal with zombie time with AI, whether we know it or not. So let me just describe what AI zombie time is. So, when you're developing software and you're working with Claude Code or, Cursor or any of them, you sit there and you'll type a command, then an agent will go out and do something for 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how many you're running, and you're left with this time that's not enough to go do anything productive, and you just don't know what to do with it. I've been spending my downtime like this, my zombie time, by playing bullet chess, which is, just really fast chess games. It's brain rot. It's degenerate. And I did a little back of the napkin math, and if you're coding for 8 hours a day and you have a pattern like this, you are spending anywhere from like 2 to 4 hours a day just doing nothing, burning time, not getting better at anything, getting mad at chess games like me, and then coming back to trying to code. And over the course of a year, that's like over 1,000 hours a year that you just spend doing nothing except for wasting time. So I have a plan to kind of solve this in 2026. And one funny thing is I think I even saw an app that somebody built, a few weeks ago where they built an IDE that had AI slop on it for just brain rot scrolling while you're sitting there having your agent do your work for us. This is a problem that's only going to grow in the future, and I'm determined to stop this now after I realized how big of a problem it was when I actually did the math on how much time I'm wasting. So, what I'm trying to do is find things that kind of complement what I'm doing with my code and make learning plans for them and building little projects around them, but being very specific. I'm going to think through a framework on this a little more and share it with you all. But right now, I build software. I started a YouTube channel a week or so ago, and there's some things that I need to work on. So I'm doing one project that's going to be a project I don't care about. That's the important thing with these projects is it doesn't need to be anything that you have to do. But I've spent a lot of time building predictive analytics software, and I've been recently, especially in 2025, focusing more on building web app type of stuff, and I miss some of the hardcore data engineering and data management and even some of the data science stuff. So I'm going to pick a few little projects that I can work with that are very data engineering, data science, machine learning focused to work on the side in my zombie time. Another thing that I need to fix is finance. I'm a crypto person, like many of you are, I'm sure, and I've bought, all sorts of crypto coins. I've been in Bitcoin since, for many years now, but I don't take it seriously. Again, I'm kind of a degenerate there. I like to just gamble with coins and buy ones and see which works. In the stock market, I'll buy, stocks here and there. But again, I don't take this seriously. And it's probably cost me who knows how much money over the course of the years because I've just been degenerately gambling on my finances and crypto and the stock market. So I want to build a little app that forces me to take that stuff more seriously. And I think that'll be fun and better than playing chess. And finally, my world, like many of you, is lives in software and building products. I love this stuff, but there's this whole other side that I don't love as much. I know a little bit about it, but it's the sales and marketing and all the go to market stuff that comes along with building products. I have several products I have now. I've got this YouTube channel and I have testandprod.co. I like tinkering with the products or with the design of testandprod.co more than I do actually promoting it. And I need to just get better at that stuff, even if I hate it. So I might try to build an app and learn more about how to do all of that. But that is brings me to one other thing is yesterday I launched version 2 of the Conductor framework on testandprod.co. This, I've got the reason this whole zombie time became so apparent to me is because with my planning that I have built into this, and Conductor framework is like a agent operating system that makes it easier for you to control your agents and what they do with things like Claude, VS Code, Cursor, you name it. It's just a file system. And I have these times that are kind of built into my planning time where I'm down doing nothing. And that's when zombie time, popped out of me. So who knows? Maybe I'll try to build in a solution to zombie time right into the conductor framework and put that in as a workflow or a skill, because I have added skills that are kind of like Claude skills. But anyway, go check this out. It's totally free if you all want to download it. And I would love to know how you spend zombie time, or if you're even aware of zombie time. But thanks for everything in 2025. I really appreciate those of you all who have subscribed and downloaded this. The feedback's been great, and I will see you next year.